Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can change Instagram account to personal account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, let's open our Instagram application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be on the home page. And if you want to switch to personal account, that means that our account is already set to professional account. So to switch it back to the personal account, what you want to do is tap on our profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen and simply tap on the three lines icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From here, we just want to go here in the For Professional section. You will see the setting here that says Creator Tools and Controls. So let's tap on that setting. And from here at the very bottom, you will see this setting which says Switch Account Type. So let's tap on that and simply tap on Switch to Personal Account. Confirm your switch to professional account. Wait for it to load. And we have now successfully switched to personal account. So that's basically how you can change Instagram account to personal account. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.